Good morning. So as you can see in the screen, we are going to create guide to create API. So we're going to create fast API. So it's just the most basic thing to just to display hello world using fast API in Python. So here we have this guide. I already sent this to you to your messenger. So first thing first, we're going to create folder. So in my case, I create this name folder. So we will just follow this. So there, I already create my folder. So what next will be here? Open the folder using VS Code. So we're going to open VS Code. So here, it is already open. So you can see this is the folder here, nothing inside. Then what next? Then install Python in the extension. So we're going to see Python here. Python. So here, so Python is already installed here in my computer, so I don't need to install it again. But in your case, if you don't have, you should install. So let's go back. Then the next will be create main.py. So we're going to create main.py inside in the base code. Okay, so here we created main.py. Then open the main.py and paste the code. So here we're going to copy the code right there. Then it should be looks like this in this image here. Right there. I just copy. You can see this hello world that will be displayed later. Then Control S to save. Okay, so it is saving. Then next, in the terminal below, click Python version to make sure it is 3.10 or above. So to check, if you are Windows, you can use this. Since I'm using Mac, so I'm using this. So terminal, new terminal, there, going to paste. So here, you can see this is my Python version. So at least 3.10 and above here. Then next, create a virtual environment. So let's start now to run the FastAPI. So we have the code. Then we are now going to run. Again, so if you are Windows, use this. If you are Mac, use this. Paste it here. Okay, so here you can see it here. It created here like that. So then we will just wait a little bit. Then what? Okay, so here it's done. Now we're going to proceed to next step. Then we need to activate the virtual environment. So it should be like this here in the picture. So your prompt should now see this at the start. So copy this. We're going to see this V in V. So here you can see the V in V here. So that's it. Then step 3, install FastAPI and Unicorn inside the VNB. So we're going to paste that. So make sure you're going to paste this code. If you can see this VNB, this will not work without this VNB here. Then we're just going to wait. Okay, so it is now installing, so we're going to close this. Then we're going to wait. This one is now creating own servers. So unlike in PHP, it needs PHP server like SAMP, but this one, it has its own server. So now our server now is running. So what's next? So here, to call it the server, we're going to copy this code. We're now going to open the server. Okay, so our server is now open. So you can see here, it gives IP address here. This is now our server address. So it is now complete. So we're now going to paste this in the browser. Click. Did you see that? It's display the hello world. So it is as easy as that. See that? It's so easy. That's fast APIs. So I hope you like it. Cheers.